In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can rotate text vertically in Google Spreadsheet. So let's get started. So open your Google Spreadsheet. Okay, so I have this one from here. And in order to rotate this text vertically, is we need to select the text first. So how can we select it? You just need to simply drag your cursor to the text that we need to rotate vertically. So once you have selected the text, just simply click on the Format tab on the ribbon, and here you will find rotation. Now here you'll find the option custom angles. So you have here the different angles that you can rotate your text. So since we are going to rotate our text vertically, so let's just go with 90 degrees, and that's it. That's how you can easily rotate your text vertically in Google Spreadsheet. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.